Dudes, dudettes, here we are again. This time we're going to finish up the Suzuki Katana. The other day we were working on it and we ran into some problems, and because Mr. B was not here, he was doing a whole bunch of other things. He came later, but we had problems getting the front fender off because the front forks were totally fused, so we couldn't get those out. So one broke off, so now we have to drill it out.
Oh shit.
So today we're going to continue fixing the bike, take the rings off and of the front forks, change the oil, and doing that we had to make room, of course, so we had to pull the buell out, and Mr. B pulled the buell out and accidentally broke one of the blinker lights. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to start on the front end and see how long that's going to take us. Hopefully we can get it finished today.
Also, one little thing. There's no beer in this episode.
Oh, this is a beerless episode, so your kids can watch.
We got so much beer yesterday.
Really? Dude?
Oh.
The
What?
lamp is empty.
You got grease all over your lip.
Grease monkey. Ah, that's racist.
I think it's kind of tight.
You think?
I reckon.
Stop talking about my mama.
Well, if you look at it, it looks really bad. It's been in there a while. This is a dust cap.
Now I can hammer it out.
Now you can hammer it. Oh man, why you always break my tools? Always break my tools.
Because you got shitty tools.
No, you're just using the wrong tools.
You're a tool.
I know what you're getting for your birthday.
The tools.
Not from Gaidor, because they're shitty.
You get some from Fisher Price.
Yeah.
Huh?
It was all completely rusted.
Yeah, that's why it was leaking.
Huh.
This is what happens when you put stainless steel with aluminum. If you don't treat it with special copper or aluminum anti-grease or anti-seize, we're gonna have Miss G help us out here. She likes to fool around with toys like this. Can just slide that right out. Give it a little twist. So what you have to do now is you have to put the air the air ratchet, the air gun.
You distracted.
You have to unscrew that. So what you do is you take this and you start turning, and then be careful because the spring will shoot up. Make sure you're holding it tight. Put your hand more over it, like that, yeah. That way you can stop it from, you'll feel it go plunk. There you go. Hold on. Oh, there's still oil in it.
How do you like that?
Work it, baby. Wat zijn we ze?
Give it a good old time.
Do you want it nice and slow or nice and rough?
Our gentlemen viewers are going to enjoy this part the most, I think.
It's like porn.
On our way to a million views.
Motorcycle porn. You've done this before, haven't you?
Yeah, depends on who you ask.
There, and then you stick it on the end, the other end. No, other end. No. And you make sure it's in nice and tight. Make sure you got a good grip, and then just. And there it is. Please.
There we go.
There you go. We're going all natural now. Okay, now remember the order in which way, in which it
Yes, there are more openings.
No, there's two openings.
3.
There's
actually.
just one opening.
Oh,
See?
here.
Yes. Very good. Okay, so then to hold the bottom end. Of the
My
shaft.
bottom end, please.
Hold the shaft.
Yeah, the bottom of it.
Hold the bottom of the shaft. And now really yank on it. Drop the screwdriver with two hands. You just yank up.
You enjoy this, don't you?
No, really, seriously. This is how it's done. Now, give it a good tug there. Make sure.
Harder.
Harder.
You have to really bump it out.
You have to.
Pull it apart.
No, up, not down. Up.
Very hard upwards.
Like
Harder.
that. Yeah, like that. Just
Harder.
slam it.
Harder.
Yeah, you need to.
Okay, watch out. You don't spill the oil.
Just yank it real hard.
Yank it. Give it. There you go. That's the way.
Yeah,
There you
go, baby, 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 baby.
On my face now.
Dat is een kamshot.
It's a cum shot.
And how does it feel?
En ik denk een gebroken oogkast.
Oh.
Really?
Nee, grapje. Maar jij hebt olie in je haar. Dat
You
is
got
een
oil in
groot
your
probleem.
hair.
You just jizzed all over your own hair.
That's nothing new.
All right.
I'm used to getting smacked in the face by my wife. So.
Oh, there you go. Now the truth comes out. Tell Uncle Phil more.
It never ends. It never will.
When does the hurting stop?
You know where you are sleeping tonight, aren't you?
And here we have our little feud between the two loved ones.
Love and marriage.
Loved and marriage.
Go together like a
Horse and
Horse
carriage.
and carrot.
So now we're replacing the forks. The other one's already in there. And once it's in, we'll tighten it up at the top because we have to
Tighten the end cap.
tighten the end cap.
Goes on like this?
No,
Yeah. No, it's gonna go like that.
brakes.
No, we got the legs mixed up.
And there you have it, folks. Everything's back in place. All I need now is to get another right side brake pads to put in, and I can finish it off. Very important, don't forget to tighten up the end caps on top. Don't forget to tighten the bolt on the bottom. It's an Allen bolt. Make sure you got that tight, otherwise it's going to start leaking. And then once you got it back into the trees, tighten everything good and tight up so that it won't loosen up and it won't do strange things. I've had that happen before. Mr. B 2.0, just about done, buddy.
What's the matter with that energy? I need it with you, but you never do. I think that's good. Oh, mother,